Starting his career as a professional in financial restructuring, Abhay Soi eventually began his own fund and entered the healthcare space in 2010.
So my entry in healthcare started through the acquisition of a company called IHH, which I thereafter renamed to Radiant. Thereafter, we acquired a company and had a concession on Nanavati Hospital in Mumbai, which we again restructured and turned around. We started looking at how we could differentiate ourselves. And in FY 2019 is when we acquired Max Healthcare, a David and Goliath story really. It was the worst performer in class. The initial owners only wanted to sell it at about 26 times or 27 times EV to EBITDA, while the market traded about 17 times. In spite of these two challenges, we were able to make the acquisition using private equity. We had to leverage the company 8 times debt to EBITDA, which is a significant amount of debt, I think, in any respect.
In spite of all the challenges, Abhay Soi soon turned Max Healthcare around.
What we did after acquisition really was implementation of the plans that we had. We had put down about 221 line items through which we could almost double our capacity. And we thought, we would do it in about 2 years. And, we were able to do it in about 10 or 11 months. And most importantly, we've been at the forefront of COVID. We were the first people, volunteer. Both our flagships, we have served more than 39,000 patients. And now we outperform the industry. From being bottom of the class 3 years ago, we have grown to the top of the class. The combined EBITDA of my 2 hospitals, as well as all of Max hospitals in the financial year 2019 was about 340 crores. We do more than that in a quarter now.
Because he's so driven, he never lost sight. So his sheer commitment and dedication has led him this far.
Today, with a network of 17 healthcare facilities and a revenue of over 5,400 crore rupees, Abhay Soi has even more ambitious plans for the future.
For me, we are representative of the best of Indian clinical talent. And I think it is for us to be able to connect the dots to be able to provide it both domestically and internationally.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Abhay Soi.